Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in crafting supplies. Today, we're diving into the world of vinyl crafting with the TapeManBlue Clear Transfer Tape. If you're into Cricut or silhouette projects, you'll want to stick around for this review. The TapeManBlue Clear Transfer Tape is touted as one of the best in its category, offering a premium experience for vinyl crafters. Made right here in the USA, it promises high-quality results with its medium to high-tack adhesive. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, this tape is designed to make your life easier when transferring vinyl decals onto various surfaces. Let's break down what makes this transfer tape stand out. Firstly, its clear film allows for precise application. You can see exactly where you're placing your design, ensuring perfect alignment every time. No more guesswork or misaligned decals. One of the standout features of this TapeManBlue product is its user-friendliness. Whether you're working with Oracal 651 or other vinyl types, the application process is quick and hassle-free. The removable adhesive ensures that even beginners can achieve professional results without the frustration of bubbles or tears. Performance-wise, this transfer tape holds your vinyl securely in place but also allows for clean removal. No sticky residue left behind, no marks on your precious vinyl graphics. It's designed to give you peace of mind during application and effortless removal when needed. Supporting American-made products is important to many of us, and TapeManBlue delivers on that front. With 100% American materials, this transfer tape ensures consistent quality and reliability in every roll. Whether you're crafting indoors or outdoors, for personal projects or business endeavors, this tape covers all bases. It's perfect for signs, decals, lettering, basically anything you can dream up in your vinyl crafting journey. Wrapping it up, the TapeManBlue Clear Transfer Tape impresses with its clarity, ease of use, and American-made quality. For anyone looking to elevate their vinyl crafting game, this product is a must-have in your toolkit. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Until next time, happy crafting!